Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to extract the test after first underscore and test after the second underscore. Okay guys, so logic is first we'll use the first we'll use the search function to find the location of underscore. Okay, then we'll subtract the position of the underscore from the length of the string, and we'll use the write function to extract the string after the underscore. Okay, then we'll find the position of the second underscore, then we'll use the write function to extract the characters of the second underscore. Okay, once we find the position of the underscore, we have to remove the that position from the length of the string. Then we'll use the write function to extract the string after first underscore or second underscore. Okay guys, so let's see. Let's take a calculated column. Okay, I will name it as if okay test after first underscore. Okay, so we'll use the write function, right? So test is my variable column. Okay, so number of characters is length of the test, okay, minus position of the underscore. To find the position of the underscore, we'll use search function. Okay, search find underscore comma within test variable column. Okay, start position is 1. Okay, and the not found value we are not using, that is optional. Okay guys, so this will give the position of the underscore. Then we are removing that position from the length, and we are taking the characters from the right side. Okay, so let's see the outputs. So this is the test after the first underscore. So how to find the test after second underscore? We have to find the second underscore position, then remove from the length of the string. Okay, we remove that position from the length of the string and take the right. Use the write function to take the characters after the second underscore. Okay guys, so let's see. I'll modify this to second underscore, and I'll put little bit second line for clarity. Okay, so here we have to find underscore from the second underscore. So we have to search the second underscore from the letter L here, and the letter B here, and letter U here. So first we found the position of first underscore, right? So this is giving the first underscore position. Okay, so from here we have to add 1 and search for second underscore, right? So for that we'll use the search function again. Okay, search variable column, search underscore, right? So first search underscore in the variable column. Okay, so position is whatever position we got from the first underscore plus 1. Okay guys, so this will give the search from the letter after the first underscore. So search will start from L here, search will start from B here, search will start from U here. Okay, so let's see the output. So this will give the test after second underscore. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.